Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we are going to develop our own CSV editor using jQuery. So we will be providing a option to upload a CSV file, and then the user can easily edit the values in the CSV in a tabular form and then download the changes. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So I'll call it CSV editor. For the designing purpose, I will be using Bootstrap, so let me include it. And because we are using jQuery, we also need to include jQuery in our script. Okay, now I have included both jQuery and Bootstrap. So now I can start my task. Okay, so let me create a container class, and inside it I'll create a title which I will again call CSV editor. I can provide class here as text center and a bit of margin bottom as well. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's good. So let's continue. Let me provide some margin here also. Then I will provide the option to select the file, CSV file. I will allow it to accept only CSV files. Class is equals to form control. Maybe it wasn't required also, but let's go with it. So I'll have to provide an option to download the changes as well. So I'll provide a download button with class btn primary mb3 download CSV. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is what I wanted. So after this, I will have a table. Where I will be displaying the contents of the file, CSV file. Okay, so table bordered, table striped. So I will keep it empty for now. I will give it an ID also, CSV table. So that's it. Our HTML section should be enough. Now let me go to the JavaScript part. Okay, since I already have jQuery included in this script, so I can use the jQuery functions or features. So CSV file, I have this ID here. So this file on change, if some file is selected, then this function will be executed. So inside this function, I will get the file first. This files 0. I need just one file. So if there is some file in it, I will create some variables here first. New file reader. I'm going to read this file. Actually, we are not uploading any file to the server, right? Because we are not using any server-side language. We are just relying on the JavaScript. So I'm going to read the file using JavaScript. So render onload equals reader table. I'll be defining this function later on. Target.result. Render.read as text file. Okay, so now I need to define this function. Okay, let me define it, and it has one argument. I'll name it as data. Okay, what it does is this will read the file, and after the file is read, it will call this function. Okay, so in this function I'm gonna populate the table. Okay, So let me grab the rows and data dot trim dot split by new line. Okay, maybe this should work. Okay, I've got the rows by splitting with the new line, and trim will remove extra spaces in the front and the back of the row. Then I'll select the table, CSV table dot empty. I'll make it empty first because there might be other files loaded. So rows for each, I will be looping through each row. Okay, so now I will go to columns. Okay, cols equals let me define it. Cols equals row dot split. I'll again split it, but now I will split with comma because this is CSV, right? Then I'll create a tr inside the table. I'll be appending it to the table. So for each columns I'll run another loop, and for each columns what I'll be doing, let me change this one. For each I'll be doing col, and I will need td for the col, td, and the text will be col, and content editable would be true because I want to edit the content. Okay, so that's it. Now I should be able to do something here. Let me try. Dot this goes here. So now I can append it to tr. This should be inside the tr for each. Okay, yeah, this is inside it. So now I can table dot append tr. So I'll append that tr into the table. Okay, let's see if it is working. Let me select one file. I have this file here, so it's maybe there's some error. Let's go through the error. We need to refresh it to see it. Okay, let me check. Okay, the error is in this line. Okay, let's see what the error is. Okay, start from here. This line is good. Cool, this is fine. This is also fine. Maybe here am I missing something? Let me provide some spaces. Yeah, it's good. This is good. This is also good. I missed yeah, that may be the case. Okay, this should work now. Yeah, look, we can get the CSV. We can edit it at whatever we want. We can change values here. Now I need to work on this download button. Okay, so let me go through it. So if clicked on download button, on click, I'll call a function, and what this function does, first let me get the CSV content equals dollar CSV table tr dot get dot map. So I will be mapping it. Okay, so how can I map it? I'll do row $row dot find td dot get dot map, and td will map to $td dot text dot trim dot join. The same thing but in reverse order. The same thing we did when we traversed through the content of the CSV. Now we are doing it in reverse order, and I think this should work. Let's see. And after join, I should again join it with new line. So I'm missing some braces here. Okay, let me check. After row, $row.find td .get .map maybe I'm missing here. No, let's do one thing. Okay, let's provide a proper indentation, then we can find out easily. Yeah, so this closes here, then I can join it, and this closes here, and it should be fine. What am I missing here? Is this the one? Oh, maybe that's the one I'm missing. So after I've got the CSV content, let's see what I received in this CSV content. Let's inspect it, refresh it, get a file, and then click on download CSV. So we have already the content ready. Now we need to download that content as a CSV file. So I'll create a blob equals new blob, and it will be CSV content. Type would be text/CSV. Yeah, we have created the blob. Now I need to convert it into URL. URL.create object URL from the blob. Okay, now I'll create an anchor tag with href URL download as edited.csv, and its first occurrence will be clicked. I'm triggering the click action. URL.revoke. After completing everything, I can revoke this object URL. Cool. Now let's see. If I select a file, it's there. I can download it. It's already downloaded, you can see here. But let me try to edit something. I've loaded it, and I want to change this name to let's try this, and then download it. It's downloaded. Now I can open it and see the changes has been saved in a CSV file. Okay, so this is a basic CSV editor that we have made, and we didn't actually uploaded the file that we selected here. We just read the CSV file via some JavaScript code, and then populated it in a table and made it content editable true, so that we could edit the thing. And after that, we just read through the tr and td of the table and converted it into proper CSV format before actually downloading the file. So that's it. This is easy, and you all already know that I provided a link in the video description from where you can find this complete source code. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe us for more interesting and useful videos like this. So cheers guys.